Hello everybody, today we're going to go bird watching. Come on, let's go! We went to LPPCHEA in Paranaque for our bird watching. We arrived very early to catch most of the birds. There were lots of people during our visit. There was a cleaning activity because it was Earth Day. It was amazing to see lots of trees and birds right in the heart of the city. We were accompanied by members of the Wild Bird Club of the Philippines. We learned and enjoyed a lot. We used a scope to see the birds from a distance. The birds are wild, and we don't want to disturb them in their habitat. Most of the birds migrated north, where it is much cooler. Now, we will show some of the birds that we saw. A two-bird and one-shot special, a whiskered tern and a common sandpiper. Here are whiskered terns flying near the shore. They are fishing for food. This is a little egret. He is cleaning his feathers. This is another little egret. He is about to fly. In the shore, we can see a black-winged stilt. Here are Maya birds. We can see them everywhere. This is a dog. It is not a bird. This is from another trip, an Asian glossy starling. We enjoyed our time in LPPCHEA. We were reminded of the beauty of God's creations, and we should do our best to be good stewards. We will definitely be back for more bird watching. Till next time.